To find slope from 2 points on a graph, we need to first determine if our line is increasing going up, or is it decreasing going down. Looking at our blue line, from left to right, I see that the graph is going down. So our slope will be negative. We now need to find 2 points that we know both the x and y values to. So that's what we could call pretty. So when you look at the graph, you want to see where does the blue line cross with the background showing both the y and the x. So I'm looking right here. This is a point that we see is 4 on the y and negative 9 on the x, so we could work with it. It's negative 9 comma 4 because it is x and y. Then we keep going. That one falls somewhere between 3 and 4 on the y, but we don't know for sure, so we have to skip it. We're skipping that one, but this one we could work with. This is at negative 6 on x and 2 on y. We have found 2 points that meet up in a corner. So we're going to draw our stairs. We go up or down first, and then left and right. So to start from the left at negative 9, 4, and get to the point negative 6, 2, we're going down. We went from 4 to 2, so we've gone down 2. Then we go over from negative 9 to negative 6. We're going over 1, 2, 3 boxes, and we're counting by 1, so we're going over 3. We have found the vertical movement. That's how much up or down we're going. That is our rise. And slope is rise over run. It is our change in y over our change in x. We can work with y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If this is our first point, we put our 1's, and then we have x2, y2 for our second point. So you could either look at the graph, or you say 2 minus 4 over a negative 6 minus x1 is negative 9. 2 minus 4 is a negative 2. Negative times a negative means this is actually a positive. So we have a negative 6 plus 9. We're going down, we're going up. They are different ways, so we're going to subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. Our slope is a negative 2 over 3. We're finding we're going down 2 vertical change and positive 3 horizontal change. So we have m equals a negative 2/3. We can't simplify it anymore, so we can stop with this. We first need to determine if our line is increasing, going up from left to right, or decreasing, going down from left to right. Starting from the left and looking to the right, I see that the line is going up, which tells me my final answer, m will be a positive something. We have found the sign of our slope. We now just need to find the number, the fraction that goes with it. So we need to find 2 pretty points, which means 2 points that we know both the x and y values. We see this point meets up at a corner. We see on the x-axis, it's at a negative 3, and on the y-axis, it is negative 4. So we can use that as our first point. We could keep going. That one doesn't work out well. We don't know exactly where it is on y. Same issue here. But then we have this point, which we see is on the y-axis, which means our x is 0, and it is at negative 2. We're going to draw stairs, which means how much up or down, and then how much left and right. So from this first point, how do we get to our second point? We're going up 2. And then we're going to the right, 3. Going up and going right, they're both positive numbers. We have found our change in y, that is our rise. Slope is rise over run. So we went up 2, and then the horizontal movement, moving to the right, we went a positive 3. I can't simplify this fraction anymore, so I'm done. Its slope is a positive 2/3.